In this session, we are going to see that how to calculate the displacement, distance, velocity and acceleration mathematically. So, mathematically means the maths is the queen of science. So, without mathematics, we cannot able to understand the science clearly. So now you see that the displacement or the distance can be represented by the notation by the x and the time will be t. So the velocity we can write that dx by dt, that is a small distance dx covered in small time dt. So we can say that it is a time derivative. What is this? Time derivative. So derivative means derivation, that is with respect to time. So we can define the velocity as rate of change of displacement. X is a displacement. So as the time increases, displacement also changes. The rate of change of displacement. Change in displacement with respect to time is called as a velocity. Also the change in velocity with respect to time is called as a acceleration. What is this new notation? Dx by dt, here the dv by dt. So there is a change in displacement with respect to change in time. Small displacement change with small time. The same as a small change in velocity with change in time. So time interval between the two, time t1 and t2. So if you subtract the t1 and t2, we get dt. So these are all the mathematical notations that is called as a differential calculus, differentiation. Once you differentiate that, we get the solution for these things. So in order to calculate the velocity and the acceleration, we should know about how to differentiate the variables. Let us consider d by dx. d by dx is a differentiation function. It is a function. X power n is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. Changing, it is a variable. So we are going to differentiate the x with respect to x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x. Xy we can take that it is a one-dimensional case. So we can take that x. For differentiation of d by dx of x power n, the solution is we have to bring this power in the multiplication, n into x power n minus 1. So if you have the d by dx of x power n, the formula is n into x power n minus 1. If you differentiate the constant, phi with respect to x, there is no x term here. So we have to put 0. So the differentiation of the constant is 0. Now we will do one example. So differentiation of d by dx of 2x cube. So this question clearly says that we are going to differentiate the 2x cube polynomial with respect to the dx, with respect to x. So what we have to do that? X power n means here x power 3. So what is this 2? This 2 is a constant, you keep it. So don't put differentiation of 2 is 0 sir. So I will put 0 here. That is wrong, because this 2 is a multiplication of one of the polynomial. So this differentiation, this constant will taken outside. So we can write like this: 2 into d by dx of x cube. That is the actual step we have to put here. Then we have to take the constant outside. Then we have to differentiate the polynomial x cube as per differentiation formula. So what is the differentiation formula? You have to bring the n here. That is a 2. This 3 will come to his side. 3 x power 3 minus 1 is a 2. So very simple. Whenever the polynomial is given like this, x cube means bring the 3 in the multiplication, reduce one term. So 2 into 3 x squared, 2 3 into 6, so 6 x squared. Let us see another example. So this is the derivative. The derivative is given in time. So we can differentiate anything with respect to that one particular variable. So in previous case, we can differentiate with respect to s. In this case, we are going to differentiate with respect to time. So the polynomial is 3t cube plus t squared plus 2t plus 5. So it is a big variable polynomial. So we are going to differentiate each and every term. So d by dt of 3t t cube and d by dt of t squared, 3 by dt of 2t and d by dt of 5 separately we have to put. Then what is the d by dt of 3t cube? So t is a constant, we have to take an outside. Then we get 3. So this 3 is come to here and t power 2. So you should keep that. This 3 you have to forget. So for t cube we have a differentiation 3t squared. For t squared we have 2t. and for 2t it is having a t power 0, all those things. So very simple, students. Merely simply apply the x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here the t cube means t power 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is a 2. So 2 minus 1 it will come. Sorry, it is a 3 means 3 will come this side and 2 minus 1 alone. It is a x power n into x power n minus 1. So just to reduce 1 powers here and bring the power in the multiplication terms. It is very clear for you. Now if you see one problem, it is easy to understand that how to do the differentiation and how to calculate the acceleration and velocity with the help of the differentiation formula. Very simply, I will summarize that differentiation is one of the mathematical tool to calculate the velocity and acceleration. So the differentiation, many differentiation formulas are available. The polynomial differentiation is x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So for if it is a x cube, reduce power 1 and you have to multiply the power in the before the polynomial. So just you note down this pages for this session video.